December is all about unwinding and blowing off some steam after all the hard work throughout the entire year. And the Pyladies Ghana community has taken the lead in doing that. Today at the SB Incubator, we are having a movie day through to a movie night sort of thing. It's really interesting and the ladies are having a lot of fun. Why am I even still here talking to you? Please subscribe to Quick Tech if you haven't already. And let's go.
So this is just a time to lighten up, have fun, talk to anybody you want to talk to, network, build connections, anything, and just enjoy over food and food, drinks, and water.
Oh, take a close officer, Mr. Gross.
You're disrespectful. You're
You just don't have a way to put it. That blame you? Yes. You do a great deal of fun getting around and stuff.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Yes.
That's no love to you.
So like just use a few minutes to take some reflection. Just what you think has changed about your perspective of yourself and women in general.
At the beginning, when she was trying to get promoted and she was in different campaigns, she said when they all progress, it's a win for them in general. So when she was able to bring the IBM, she didn't actually keep all the knowledge to herself. She made sure all the other ladies that were working with her could also do it because she knew there was a risk and they could lose their job. So she actually advanced and is still with them. So it's something that really caught my attention. Like you as women, it's something that we have to do for one another. Because if you are progressing and there's someone that, I mean, everyone has the potential. So long as you are progressing and you get the opportunity and out there, you need to help the people that are behind you so you can all progress together. If it's a win for all, it's a win.